Hi guys, so the words up on the board today all have 4 sounds in them. So your job is going to be to blend those sounds together and pick the word. So we have block, skate, lamp, and black. And the first word I want you to pick is block. Listen to all the sounds and put them together. Block. One more time. Block. Did you pick block? It was a little bit tricky because black sounds very, very close to block. But the word I was saying was block. Okay, now let's add jump. That looks like fun. Jump. So we have jump, skate, lamp, and black. And let's do black. Black. One more time. Black. I bet you got it. Did you say black? This time it was black. Can you see there's a little black cat there in the picture? Okay. Oops, my cards are sticking together. Now we're going to add the word dream. Oh, look, she's dreaming about a cute little doggy. Dream. Jump, skate, lamp, dream. And my word is jump. Put those sounds together. Jump. One more time. Jump. Which word is it? Did you say jump? And now we've got a snail. So we have snail, skate, lamp, and dream. Let's do skate. Skate. One more time, put those sounds together. Skate. Which word is it? It was skate. Now we have cast. That's sometimes what the doctor does. If you fall down and you break your leg, you might have to have a cast on it so that you don't bend your leg or arm or finger. I don't think they use finger casts. Okay, snail, cast, lamp, dream. Let's do lamp. Lamp. One more time. Lamp. Did you say lamp? Okay, now let's do, let me tell you, we have snail, cast, and dream. Let's do dream. Dream. One more time. Dream. Which word is it? Did you say dream? So we have snail and cast. Let's do cast. Cast. Once more. Cast. Did you say cast? And so our last one is snail. Let's say the sounds together. Are you ready? S-N-A-L. That's 4 sounds. S-N-A-L. One more time. S-N-A-L. Okay, see you next time.